My business is running restaurants, and we have to support our business in so many different dimensions. As we look at our analytics platform, we start with what is the business need and try to look at what do we need to be able to do to bring that model to a production ready state quickly. So having an environment which will help, because the business is not going to wait. These things are not something where I can say like, hey, wait for 5 months and let me build a model and then you guys can change your business model. We have to adapt. We have to be able to provide that information as soon as it's needed. And having a platform which is ready to do that, which can handle the load, which can run those kind of models and data sets, which goes into terabytes of information, is really critical. As our business started growing and the amount of data we were collecting from different systems grew, this whole scalability concept of like, how do we scale up when there is a need, but scale down when there is not a need for that, right? We are a restaurant company, like margins are pretty tight, IT budget is tight. So we have to be very effective in terms of how we look at these systems and try to maximize the output. We wanted to go from an on-prem to a cloud environment. We looked at various systems and which can give us that capability. We looked at a lot of cloud providers and we did a thorough analysis of the cost part of it. One of the front runner for us was Teradata Vantage on AWS. We didn't want to be in the middle of like the patching and making sure the data center is up and running. And then the advancements which had happened in the platform, especially with Teradata, with VantageCloud, with the analytical capabilities. So the huge advantage of using ClearScape is essentially it accelerated the model development for us. As we look at our analytics platform, we start with what is the business need and try to look at what do we need to be able to do to bring that model to a production ready state quickly. And Teradata's platform gave us a huge advantage with that. For us to be able to deliver amazing food, the food has to be hot, it should be sizzling, and it should have everything which we promised. And the only way I can do that is through data.